Farm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
And good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with this picture. It comes to us from D. Rudolph, and we're out here by Alkali Creek. This is the sunrise, and boy, what a beautiful one that was. I'm not sure if that was this morning or maybe a couple of days ago, but still, almost looked like there was fire in the sky, didn't it, huh? Well, take a look at this. Here's a shot that comes to us from Linda Richardson, and we're looking at basically just before the sun was setting out there by Powell. This is the, they call it the bird watching pond, and you can see there were some birds out there, and yeah, just, I think there was a storm starting to blow in, and he got that shot. I just thought it looked really pretty because you had some yellow in the sky, the blue water, just a nice looking picture there. And right now, here's the North Park. We're looking at that Christmas tree in North Park, and boy, that's all lit up very nicely, isn't it? Currently in Billings, we do have 25 degrees. Now we're starting to cool down. Winds out of the west at 10 gives us a wind chill factor that feels like a pretty chilly 15 degrees out there. Now our high temp today actually topped out at 38, which is right at average for this time of year. The record was 65 back in 1995. The record low, 21 below zero back in 1985. We've been talking about 1985, a lot of record low temperatures in November and December, and obviously today was one of those. Sunset at 4:31 this afternoon, and as you'll see, no new precipitation, so we're starting to slip behind a little bit for the month of December. Here's where we are for the year. 1281, need to be at 1318 to be caught up to average. And right now, we are starting to chill down. Look at the teens and 20s across Montana. 17 right now over at Lewistown. Same thing over in Dillon. We're seeing 25 at Billings. But look at Livingston. There's your cold corner. Right now, 13 degrees. We're into the 20s and 30s back here. But northern Wyoming also into the 20s. Our reported highs for the day, a lot of places got into the 30s and a lot of 40s around the region. No 50s, but still places like Miles City got up to 40 degrees. Same thing in Havre. We're 40 over at Helena and 42 at Missoula for the hot spot there today. Meanwhile, Billings, we're at 38. And you'll notice here out in western Montana, we do have air stagnation advisories around Kalispell and Missoula, air temperatures and temperature inversion there, and there's just not very much wind to kind of blow all the smog out of the valleys, so that stuff is just sitting there, and that stays with us tonight and goes till about, I think, tomorrow morning, or actually into Saturday possibly. So we're looking at a lot of air stagnation in that region for a while. But you'll notice winds out of the north. You do have a couple of scattered snow flurries here on the Doppler radar. That is what is left of the snow flurries we had today. Most of that was blowing upslope and now blowing into Wyoming. New ridge of high pressure starting to build in the west, so that means it's going to be kind of quiet for us the next few days. And there was the snow showers this afternoon. That stuff will drop farther south. High pressure builds in behind that. And so it's going to be kind of like a weatherman holiday for the next few days. We're just looking at mostly sunny skies right on through Wednesday. Even into Thursday and Friday, much of the western half of the country will be enjoying mostly sunny skies right on, like along with the Billings area. But tonight we're going to cool back down to the teens and 20s around the region. A few lingering clouds back here in the east, but as that high pressure moves in tonight, it pushes most of those cloudy skies away. For tomorrow, we're getting back up into the 30s, some low 40s, 42 over at Forsyth, 41 at Harleton. It'll be 42 degrees at Roundup tomorrow. Same thing over at Hardin, but everywhere else generally into the 30s. But for Billings tonight, here's our story. We're going to cool down to 21 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Already starting to see some partly cloudy skies out there. And as you'll notice here tomorrow, the clouds are going away. We're looking at 38 degrees with mostly sunny skies. 46 on Thursday, 52 on Friday. And once we hit those 50s, we keep them all the way through Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and on into Tuesday. Look at Sunday, 54 degrees. So we're still looking at either mostly sunny or sunny skies all the way through the rest of the week. We'll be right back.